Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for all the support you're giving me. I'm here to showcase to you a product from Oriflame, Sweden. We all love to have soft and smooth skin, right? But due to the pollution, our skin is dry, dull, rough. We have blackheads, whiteheads, uneven skin tone, wrinkles, etc. Whatnot, guys. I have a solution for you guys. It's a product from Oriflame. It's a pocket-friendly facial kit. Love Nature Nourishing Facial Kit. In this kit, we have 3 ingredients. It is organic guarana, papaya and pineapple. Organic guarana has antioxidants. It helps to nourish the skin. It has anti-aging properties, which helps to keep the skin soft and supple. Papaya helps to soothe the skin. It has sugars, vitamins and minerals. It moisturizes the skin and soothes and conditions the skin. And pineapple, it is rich in fruit acids, amino acids, sugars, minerals, and it helps to purify and exfoliate the skin. I'll be showing you the techniques which you have to do. Let's go into the video. Hey guys, I'll show you the facial techniques. We have 4 products, like I said. We have the face wash, we have the scrub, the cream and the mask. Okay, so now I'll be showing you the technique. I'm not doing it, but I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, first of all, when you have to cleanse your face, wash your face, wet your face, and then you take a little bit of face wash. You needn't take too much, just take a little bit and rub it against your hand, and then you start your facial. Okay, when you start your facial, you start with your jawline. You go like this. Okay, you can do it at home by yourself. You do your jawline like this. Okay, I'm not doing it for a long time because it's just a small video, so I'm just showing you the techniques. Just go upward, always go upward. If you do it like this, your skin will start sagging. So always go like this. First you go like this, then you go like this, then you go like this. Okay, and then you go like this. Always upward, always upward. Then you go like this. You next to your eyebrows. They say this is the crow feet. You start getting wrinkles here. So to avoid those wrinkles, you have to start doing this, and then you go around your eyes, go on your nose, on your forehead, and you go like this, and then you do like this. So all your wrinkles will be gone once you keep doing this. You can do your facial once in a month. You can use these products even on a weekly basis. So these are the techniques. You keep doing this. Once you do this, your double chin will go off. Okay, so this is the techniques which you're supposed to be doing. You can do it for 1 minute. You use your face wash for 1 minute, and then you wash off your face, and then the next step is the face scrub. The same way, you wet your face, take a little bit of face scrub, and do the same massaging, the same techniques which I showed you. The first step, the second step. After the second step, you need to wash your face off, and then you steam your face. Okay, and the third step is you use your cream. You just apply your cream and do your massage, and apply your cream and keep your cream. It will get absorbed into your skin. It's the third step, and the fourth step is the last and the final step, which is the face mask. You just after the cream, you just apply your mask, do this massaging for some time, and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, and you're done. After that, you can wash off your face, and you will see the changes instantly. You'll have that glow, that dullness. If you want to go for a function or a wedding or anything, you just need a few minutes. You can finish your facial at home. So go for it.
We have another facial kit, that's the Love Nature Radiance Facial Kit. The ingredients are organic milk, honey and turmeric. Organic milk, it's a nature's best skin conditioner, and it's known to improve your skin's natural appearance. Honey helps to hydrate the skin. It gives a hydrating effect on the skin and making it look soft, smooth and radiant. Turmeric. Turmeric helps to brighten the skin. It has antioxidant properties and it gives a mattifying effect and helps to reduce sebum levels.
Hope you guys liked my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.